It's a really, really, really good plant for kind of filling a niche where you think you're not going to get any food crops. So a north-facing wall, ideal for this. Or in a forest garden, it can kind of grow up through trees as well. Caucasian spinach is one of those excellent perennial vegetables that you sometimes hear about. Loved by permaculturists and people that have food forests as well. What's so great about it is it's the niche that it enjoys growing in. It likes a north-facing aspect, really shaded. It's a climber. It can be grown quite easily from seed, although you need to stratify the seed, so you need to plant it in winter and let winter do its thing to it. The young shoots can be eaten as well. And it's just a really nice plant. You can eat it, the greens fresh like this, or you can cook them up like you would spinach. Yeah, and it comes back year after year. So it's a really good crop to grow, and one that can fill a niche in like really awkward situations. So again, it's loved in food forests because it can grow in the shade of trees and up through trees as well as a bit of a climber. This one's taken a bit of a battering. I had to weed it out. But it's going to come back strong. It puts a lot of growth on early in the year. Doesn't like being too dry, so this is probably a little bit too dry in this pot.